All right, we're going to replace the thermostat. There's nothing wrong with the thermostat she has, but it just don't have a light on it. So we're going to upgrade it. I came and did a maintenance on the unit for the heat last week, and I told her if she wanted to, she can go to Home Depot and buy the thermostat, and I will come back and install it for her. So first thing we want to do is kill the power to the furnace, because we don't want to accidentally touch a wire down at the thermostat and blow the fuse or damage the control board. So what's going on right now though? I guess the heat is on. Yes, it's hot. So this is the disconnect to the furnace, so I'm gonna kill it and we'll go down and see if what kind of thermostat she has.
No. Found it.
Okay.
I had it here and it slid off down this way, and I thought I was about to begin to panic.
Okay, great. Okay, yes, this one got the blue light in the back. So
Yep, it said backlight, so I said, oh, that's the one I want.
Okay.
I don't even remember how much it cost. And you're not going to believe this. I bought 4 things because my next door neighbor told me we were supposed to replace those every 10 years. I said, well, I'm 10 years overdue.
Oh, the smoke detector? The smoke detector?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that myself. I thought we just supposed to change the batteries.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. But well, and these say on here that you're supposed to do it every 10 years, but that might be just a ploy to sell them. But
Okay.
I spent $140 and I got home and there was a coupon on my computer telling me I would get $10 off of nothing over $200 or something like that. So I'm going to call the main office and ask them if they'll honor it.
Okay, yeah.
It was a birthday present. My birthday was the 4th of November, so.
Yeah, happy belated birthday.
Yeah, I think. I play hopscotch with my granddaughter.
How old your granddaughter?
She will be 12 in March.
Oh, okay.
And she has a brother that's 13 and a brother that's 14. My son kind of married late.
Okay.
He's going to be 55 in December.
Yeah, I met him, right?
Oh, yeah, that's right. He was here. He's the one that put that little piece of wood in there.
Yeah.
Oh, and I was going to...
The Philip head.
I was reading on Home Depot.
This thermostat here, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna have to mount this, because there's a little chip on the back. There's like 2x4 right there. I took the yellow out. G for green, W for white, or the heat. And it's red for the 24 volts. There's no comment on here. I'll mount the new one exactly like this. The new one is going to mount a little bit different. I think it's right here.
I guess Hershey gave up. I don't hear him.
Yeah, this one should mount better then, since it's a smaller back.
I wonder if it's still going to cover up this end of this thing. I'm going to get a saw and saw the end of that off.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this whole. I don't think we need this back.
Oh, you don't think you need that anymore?
Back on this one.
3 years, he's still. I think that lady's husband was mean to him. It's okay. You don't have to be afraid. It's okay. Come here, Mama's not gonna.
Space on. Okay, I got this one mounted. Just took the red and put it on the red. Put the white, which is heat, put it on a W. Took the G, as in green, or a fan, and the Y is for the condenser, compressor. It goes to Y. It should be good to go. Like I said, I couldn't record the video like I wanted, but just gonna mount the new one. Probably gonna need batteries.
Need it because it was bigger.
Yeah, this one nice.
I wanted it because it was bigger. I told it would cover the hole. But I have that tank in the bottom of this hall closet right here.
Select the date.
I always keep it in the house when I know I'm going to use it again. Oh, there's a spider web up there. I just replaced that filter the other day and I didn't even see it. It might have happened since then.
Today is the 14th November, I think.
Yep.
Yep.
It is. My next door neighbor's birthday was yesterday. It's the only reason I remember.
The time is about 1. Almost at 1:27.
1:27. Yeah. That clock over there on the TV is supposed to set automatically, but it's always been two minutes off from the TV. I don't know if it's because it needs a new battery, but it automatically updated when the time changed. Crazy. I can't read the time very good on the TV, but I bought that clock. It's a big number. What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? What are you doing? Want to come back in the bedroom with Mama?
120. 120 is the scheduling option. We're gonna do non-program and 0. She don't want to schedule, so we're gonna go to 0. You don't want to schedule or nothing on here, right? You just want to be able to control it yourself.
Yeah.
Just a basic, okay.
I can schedule it because I know how to do that from having done it with the other one I had.
125 is temperature. We're going Fahrenheit.
Let's get to see. Oh, that's the outside.
200 heating system. We got a conventional.
It's
conventional.
You can do it 5 days for the same, and then 2 days on the weekend you can change it if you know. But I'm home all the time, so unless I go out of town. But yeah, I know how to.
Got 1 stage cooling. 221. 1 stage heat. 300 system changeover manual. 430 minimum cool. We're gonna raise that to 65.
Is that the heat or the
That's
cold?
the cold.
The cold.
We don't want it cooler than 65 degrees.
No.
Okay. Because I had it on 50.
Yeah, that's.
I prefer it at 70, but we're going to keep it at 65.
Yeah, that's what I usually keep it on, at 71.
Okay. We're going to do 65. And the heat, the maximum 90.
72 is what I usually keep the heat
which
on.
is this min and max. So the maximum I'm going to put 83. On 7011 air filter replacement, we're going to turn it off.
Yeah, I have that on my calendar in the kitchen. I do it every.
Because this right here will remind you.
Oh, how about that? That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Do you want it on there?
Sure.
Okay.
How often does it? You have to tell it?
This one got run time 10 days, 20 days, every 30 days. What kind of filter do you have? Okay, you got depleted. So how often you change yours?
I usually change it about every 2 months. 3 at the most.
Okay, 3 at the most. So we're just gonna do 90 days.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. 4:15 daylight saving time. I'm just gonna. Do we want to do that? Set to off in areas that do not. We're gonna turn it on. So it'll reset itself.
Yeah.
And that's it. It's saving. I'm gonna go turn it on and make sure it's operating correctly.
Okay.
And you go to instructions.
And we don't need any of this stuff.
Oh no, man. Nah, this just to mark the wires, but
Yeah.
it was simple.
Think it's safe to throw the box away?
Yes, ma'am. You can. Just keep it for about a month, just in case something happened to it. We can take it back. Right, so we're gonna restore power, and I will test the heating and the cooling just to make sure it's working. Sorry, I couldn't. I didn't have my. I don't have my tripod for my video cameras, so I didn't have my head strapped so I couldn't record like I wanted to. I wanted to make a better video, but.
Yeah, I paid $75 with the tax added on. It was $69 plus the tax.
Okay.
So I thought it looked like it'd work for me. It's very similar to the one I had. It does have a couple of extra features.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna put it on heat mode. We're gonna turn it up. Make sure it kick on. And this one here, as you can see, is blinking. Well, it was blinking.
Mm-hmm.
And when it stopped blinking, it'll turn it on.
Yep, there it goes.
Yeah. How about the backlight don't stay on very long, but whenever you push a button, it'll turn the light on.
Mm-hmm.
I think you can change that and let it stay on longer.
That's good. I don't usually look at it very long.
Okay. Okay, that's the heat.
Yep.
I'm gonna let it run for about 1 minute. I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna kick the air conditioner on just to make sure the wires are correct.
I'm excited. I ought to put a little putty in that hole.
Yeah.
Spackle that sucker.
Mm-hmm.
My next door neighbor knows I like owls. She bought me this scarf. Has an owl hanging down on the bottom of it in a thing.
Oh wow. That's nice.
It's kind of dressy to wear around the house, or around, just round. I might wear it to the Christmas party up. AARP's having it, the Midway barbecue place over. I tell you, I had some extra insulation put in my attic, and the guy said, "Oh, we had some extra, so we put some extra." And every time somebody goes up there, I find it all over me and everything else, because it just.
Oh yeah, the insulation. Yeah, that stuff there is. It make it itch.
Yep. Oh, there you are. I was looking over there for you. You sneak up on me. Sometimes he can get up from his bed over there and go out, and I never know it until I hear the dog door flap go.
Oh, he can go outside when he wants?
Yeah. Except at nighttime I put it down because we've been having a possum infestation.
Oh.
We had some traps put up on the fence and we caught 6.
Mm-hmm.
And the guy was renting traps. He had a guy, I guess, for a month, and he said he was going to buy traps himself from our neighborhood. But there was one day last week, probably just a few days after he took the traps all down from the guy who was paid for a month. There was one in front of my next door neighbor's house that got run over. It was all over. We had buzzards all day long, 6 or 8 of them sitting in the middle of the street.
Wow. All right, so that's the heating and the cooling works.
Yay.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it back to heat. What do you have it set for?
72.
72?
Yeah, so far that's been work. That's what you had it on the other one, so it didn't seem to work, especially since it's as cold as it has been. Oh, the film.
Yeah.
Here.
All right.
Oh, it was just on the plastic.